Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the After Effects time. We will be making this effect. Create a new composition, name it Bouncy, 1920 by 180, 60 seconds. I will use the time frame and 10 seconds duration. Choose the text tool and type anything you like. I am preparing for New Year, so I will go with Happy New Year 2024 or Christmas, and I will align my text because it's very important. If you're not aligning it, then your video will become here and there. Open the text properties area. Near the text section you will see animate. Choose properties and scale. Now you have to scale down into 0 to make it very small, invisible almost. You will see one more animate there. Click on it and you will see add. Add, choose selector, and from the selector section choose expressions. Now click on the expressions and click again on the stopwatch and you will see the expression area. Here we need to paste some codings which I will provide you in the link, and you can just simply copy and paste it. That's it. If you want, you can stop here and see the effects happening, and it's really nice. You can even play around with the expression numbers to give it a different look or smoother shapes, but I'm gonna stop here because it's looking really nice. And you can change the text to anything, like Christmas, like happy, like motion, bouncy, anything you need, and it's gonna give you just the same effect. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.